Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Diana from Diana's Patch, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Martha Nelson Thomas original doll baby. You can buy the kits on eBay or Etsy. They're from the 1980s. This is the pre-sewn doll body, and make sure you get the kind that has the neckband, otherwise you have to cut it open and glue it instead of using the zip tie. Here's the head, and it comes in different hairstyles and colors. The instructions that come with the doll body are very simple. They have diagrams, how to soft sculpture and put the doll together. I'm going to show you a little bit different way because the way they do it, it just doesn't look as good. And also they don't have a tushy or belly button instruction, so I'm going to show you how to do that too. Materials you may need: cuticle cutter for cutting the zip tie, thread magic, a regular ballpoint needle, upholstery thread. I used the color buff, which is S964 or 8050, 3-inch soft sculpture doll needles, 5-inch doll needles, clips, a ruler, disappearing ink marker, a seam ripper, hopefully you won't need one, but I did, and scissors. Okay, the first thing you want to do is mark the arm where you're going to be sewing it. So 1.5 inches from the side of the shoulder. I'm using a disappearing ink marker. So 1.5 inches, and then to the armpit. We do this on both sides. It's just easier to mark it when it's all flat before it's been stuffed. Okay, so for the toe, the instructions say that we're going to fold it over like that when we do the soft sculpturing, but there's a better way. What we're going to do is flip it inside out, both legs, and we're going to square it. So the triangle there is going to be sewn. And you only need maybe 3/4 of an inch. And I like to open up the seam. Now see how it's nice and round. Okay, now we're going to put pleats in the front and the back. This will make the tushy more round and the belly more round. So first flip it inside out, and I did this after stuffing the arms, but it made it a lot harder. So you want to make sure you do this before stuffing. So first you want to mark it about 3/4 inch over and 2 inches up, and then connect the dots. Now repeat on the other side.